How's it, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be replacing my old Honda red emblems with some brand new ones. And here's the reason why I'm going to replace it. As you can see, guys, the clear coat is pretty much messed up. Now this isn't the OEM red Honda emblems, they don't make it, so I bought this off from eBay. I'd say it lasted me like about almost 2 years. Now let's take a look at the back. The back is pretty good, but still, let's replace both of it. Alright, you guys, so here's the new red Honda emblems that I'll be installing. This is for the front, and this is for the back. So let's get right to it. Alright, you guys, so that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.